Welcome to your Tahiti Dance Fitness class with me, Teacher Bea. For my newbies, make sure to subscribe. So today we are going to learn the tamau. First, check your posture. Feet close to each other, bend your knees, and keep a back straight. Make sure your pelvis is in a neutral position, like this. Awesome. So let's get started. Bend your knees, back straight, and push to the right. Left side. Your knees are following your hips motions. Unlock your knees at all times. And we add tempo. Ready? Right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep going. Hold your shoulders still. There you go. Awesome. Add the hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and relax. Very good. So one more time slowly. Ready? Bend your knees. Check your posture. Back straight, and we go. Right side, left side. Right side, left side. Unlock your knees at all time. Good. At tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. Good. And relax. So now we are going to practice with the music, and we're going to go faster like this, and in 4 corners, going front and back like this. All right? So let's go. Let's get dancing. Are you ready? So bend your knees, back straight, and push right, left, right, left. At tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. Push those hips. Hands up. Keep your upper body still at all time. Very good. Awesome. Great. So now we're going to go faster. Yes, 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Push those hips. Up. Down. 1. Down. Last time. Go to the front. Front. Back. Side. Go backwards. We go 4 corners. And front again. And stay. Come on, push those hips. 1, 2. Last one. And relax. Very good. Well done. I'm so proud of you. I hope you had a great workout. Come and join me for more classes. You have the links below. I'm sending you big kisses, and stay your amazing self always.